Construction labor life at stake exposes reporter Jaspal Singh Naol for News 9 ampersand Navi Mumbai lifestyles. Greenwood's Kharghar construction workers' life at stake. Navi Mumbai is said to be a 21st century city. But when it comes to safety during the construction of making the city, it acts like a Stone Age city, wherein the builders and developer violates almost all the safety and precaution measures required for the laborers. One of such construction is going on of Greenwood's project at Plot No. 9 to 13, 13A, 13B Sector 35E Kharghar. It is being developed by Proviso Group, Rekhi Sai Realty, Galaxy Group, the Raigad District Collector, CIDCO MD, PCMC Commissioner, Additional Commissioner of Labor. All the corporations has given a blind look for not just this construction site but to each and every construction works happening in the city. On-site accident and accidental deaths are happening but hardly any compensation is provided to these laborers, as they work on daily wages and do not comply any benefits such as health insurance, accident insurance, etc. The most needed safety measures are as follows: protective gloves, safety shoes, hard head helmet, hearing protection, full face shields when cutting, grinding, or chipping, chemical splash goggles, respiratory protection, fall protection equipment when working above 6 feet like guardrails, bright neon-colored safety vests, personal fall arresting systems, positioning device systems, safety monitoring by a competent person, warning line systems, covers, safety net systems, etc. Whensoever inquire to any builders and developers why no safety measures are taken, they deny the facts and have a common say: we do provide but the laborers don't want to use it. Until the government agencies wake up, the life of thousands of construction workers will always be on stake. To cover your news, WhatsApp us on 8655447929 or mail to navimumbailifestyles@gmail.com.